May nilabas po na study yung Philippine Institute of Development Studies. It stated that the ASEAN is gaining the economic and strategic weight that could strengthen its position as a global power. It also stated that as ASEAN chairman this year, the Philippines should take this opportunity to advance initiatives that would strengthen regional integration. Ano pong reaction ni President regarding this as this year's ASEAN chairman po?
Yes. Maganda pong balita yan. So the President welcomes the recognition, the findings of PIDS. And ASEAN aims not only to maintain that gain, but it should accelerate the economic growth even further. So, as ASEAN Chair, the Philippines will continue working to strengthen this regional integration and resilience while ensuring that the ASEAN remains united and central to regional peace, stability, and economic growth. So, dapat talaga magkaisa-isa ang miyembro ng ASEAN at nakikita po nila kung paano nagtatrabaho ang ASEAN sa ngayon patungo sa stability at economic growth.
Ma'am, follow-up po. Nasa na po yung stage ng preparation natin for the ASEAN Summit in November? May mga heads of state na po ba na nag-signify na magpa-participate sila po sa November?
Patuloy po ay mga pag-meeting patungkol po sa ASEAN Summit na gagawin dito sa ating bansa. At ibibigay ko na lang po sa inyo yung mga detalye dahil ang SOSEC po at ang protocol po ang nakakaalam ng mga detalyeng ito.